a luxury 3.5 BHK apartment in a gated community with world-class clubhouse, lush green areas, and indoor and outdoor sports. I am talking about MRG Crown, located right on Upper Dwarka Expressway, Sector 106, Gurgaon. It is located just 15 minutes away from Delhi. Hello viewers, my name is Ankit Vas. I am the co-founder of Vilasata Realty and we welcome you to MRG Crown. This project has an access from 90-meter wide Upper Dwarka Expressway, which gives you a smooth and hassle-free entry and exit in the project. MRG Crown is a luxurious 3.5 BHK low-rise community which is only 20 minutes drive from IGI Airport, Delhi, और द्वारका सेक्टर 25 मेट्रो से सिर्फ 10 मिनट्स की ड्राइविंग डिस्टेंस पे ये साइट अवेलेबल है। ये लोकेशन गुड़गांव के सबसे प्रॉमिसिंग रेजिडेंशियल बेल्ट्स में से एक बन चुकी है। विद रैपिड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट लाइक यशोभूमि, अपकमिंग डिप्लोमेटिक एनक्लेव, 18 होल गोल्फ कोर्स, ग्लोबल सिटी बाय HSIIDC, भारत वंदना पार्क, all at max 15-20 minutes driving distance from the project. This project is developed by MRG Group, a trusted name in quality construction and timely delivery. MRG Group has 47 years of legacy and is into various businesses like schools, finance, real estate and agro sector. Backed by global expertise and cutting edge technology, their development blends efficiency, elegance and forward thinking design, redefining modern living with setting new benchmarks in real estate. Padma Shri awardee Hafiz Contractor has done the architectural design of this fabulous project, and Julie Dioskar, a global landscape expert, ने प्रोजेक्ट को दिया है एक इंटरनेशनल एस्थेटिक टच। प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर आपको मिलेंगे 3.5 BHK प्लस पूजा रूम एंड एन एक्सेस टू बेसमेंट एंड टेरेस बाय प्राइवेट लिफ्ट्स। अ ग्रेट यूनिक प्रपोजिशन जो आपको मिलता है at MRG Crown is that with every apartment you get a big size room in the basement which you can convert into work from home office, a home theater, party lounge area, storage space, kids playroom, etc. And to enjoy lovely morning or peaceful evenings with your friends and family, आपके पास होगा a space on terrace as well that can be utilized as a party deck with a barbecue space also. So apart from a 3.5 BHK apartment, you also get an additional space in basement as well as terrace जो आप अपनी नीड के हिसाब से यूज कर सकते हैं। MRG Crown is spread across 8 acres जहां आपको मिलता है stilt plus 4 story structure with a basement. Here you get 3.5 BHK ultra luxury apartment at just 2.29 CR only. As we all agree that it is very important to know कि डेवलपर घर के अलावा क्या क्या amenities provide कर रहा है within the project. So MRG Crown is offering world-class amenities like 22,000 square feet of grand clubhouse जहां आपको मिलता है Olympic size swimming pool and separate kids pool, cricket practice pitch, basketball court, squash court, yoga, Zumba, meditation rooms, mini amphitheater, cards room, billiards room, business lounge, banquet with kitchen, 15-seater miniplex and an amazing sky lounge and bar. Apart from all this, you will get a 1.5 acres of fully landscaped leisure island where your kids can freely roam around and play, dedicated car parking for each floor, ample car parking slots for your visitors as well. ये सिर्फ कुछ amenities नहीं, ये आज की डेट में एक प्रीमियम लाइफस्टाइल के लिए नेसेसिटी है. So these amenities are must in the project. Right now we are at Experience Center. So developer has clearly displayed what all they will be providing inside the apartment. This shows that how transparent the developer is with its customers. Inside your apartment, you will get fully modular kitchen, factory-fitted wardrobes in all bedrooms, VRV AC system for full comfort, laminated wooden flooring in all rooms, fully fitted washrooms, private lift, exclusive terrace space, and even a separate entrance lobby with waiting area and washroom. ये एक वेल प्लान लग्जरी रेजिडेंसी प्रोजेक्ट है जिसके लिए आपको 4, 5 या 6 करोड़ रुपए इन्वेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Here you will get a 3.5 BHK apartment at just 2.29 CR only. ये एक स्टील डील है. Project is under construction and construction is in full swing. This is the perfect time to book your dream home before the project gets sold out. So let us now discuss कि क्यों MRG Crown में इन्वेस्टमेंट करना एक बेहतरीन इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन होगा. This project is at a prime location with fast growing connectivity, low rise format, low density, high privacy, world class clubhouse and amenities, trusted builder with modern design, best ROI potential on द्वारका एक्सेस. चाहे आप फर्स्ट होम बायर हो या स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर, MRG Crown checks every box. ये एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है जहां फ्यूचर एप्रिसिएशन, लाइफस्टाइल अपग्रेड और लॉन्ग टर्म वैल्यू सब कुछ एक साथ मिलता है. इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ लग्जरी होम टू लिव और मेकिंग अ स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट, डू नॉट मिस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. Units are very limited and selling like a hotcake. MRG Group is setting new standards by developing MRG Crown, where you will get elegance and convenience at an amazing price. To schedule a site visit for this wonderful luxury project, please call us on the number mentioned on the screen. And if you like our video, then do share it with your friends and family, and like and subscribe our channel Vilasata Realty.